This model not only gives your customers a good reason of choosing you over others, but also ensure a high sales volume. Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode in how to bring your idea to life. Today we're going to discuss an important part of developing your business plan, which is creating a value proposition. A value proposition is a statement that describes the benefits and values that your business provides to your customers. It also explains how your product or service solves the customer problems and answers the question, why should I as a customer choose or buy your product or service over others in the market? For example, let's say you are launching a new meal delivery service. And based on your market research, you figured out that your target market are the busy professionals who want to have a healthy and fresh meal without the hassle of going to the grocery shop or cooking because they don't have time. And your competitors are the other meal delivery services and restaurants in the same area. So your unique value proposition in this case could be that you offer a customized meal plans based on each customer dietary preferences or restrictions. For example, you could also offer kind of monthly subscription or weekly subscription, so you would deliver every day to your customers and on time a fresh and warm meal. You could also add something like a guarantee of non-repeating a meal, which means that your customer would never get the same meal twice per week or per month. And this model not only gives your customers a good reason of choosing you over others, but also ensure a high sales volume and repeat customers based on the subscription model, and as a result, your business will generate a significant profits. And please remember that your value proposition statement should be like short, clear, and easy to remember, and should be developed based on your market research, based on your customer needs and expectations. So what you need to do right now, just grab a pen and paper and formulate your value proposition statement, and in the next episode we will discuss how to use it in our branding and marketing strategy. And as always, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and see you next time.